because one evening I felt a pointy thing coming out of the back of my neck. So we went to emergency 11 at night or what so, and they had to, not surgically, but just cut a slit to remove it.
With that. And 12 cents in pocket.
Wow.
Right?
Amazing. Yes, definitely. So I went to the dental office for deep cleaning, just plain deep cleaning, and they're injecting me with the needles, of course, the numbing for the work. One side was good, and the other side, he had left a needle in there. He had left a needle in my gum. No one knew. I didn't even know. I thought it was just, hurting. He told me it was normal. Pretty much sent me off on my way with no medication, nothing. And throughout the 3 to 4 weeks, it traveled and came out of the back of my neck, right below my ear. So, that whole month, just constant pain every day. I went to the hospital. So, because one evening I felt a pointy thing coming out of the back of my neck. So we went to emergency 11 at night or what so, and they had to, not surgically, but just cut a slit to remove it. And then we called J. Alexander, and they took care of us. I tried several firms just to see who would try to even take the case. I just got denied or told that they weren't. Pretty much I felt like it was a waste of their time. Maybe it was too small of a case. And then I reached out to friends, see if they had people that they could give me some information on, and maybe try to contact, which would be J. Alexander. Got me taken care of. Really easy ride, the whole team.
With that. And 12 cents in pocket.
Wow.
Right?
Amazing. Yes, definitely. Most definitely. Any friend, any family member who has a case and no one wants to take it, these are the people to go to.